All right, we are heading to our boat officially. This is going to be awesome. It is our theme park streamer team, Jungle Cruise Takeover. Spaceship Ears, John here. Got Christy. Theme Park Casual, Berry Place 28, Cordian, California. BB6 Slappy.
About to blow up because it's so hot. It's unusual.
Pops Family Adventures, up Pescu.
Yeah, I'm gonna have trouble investing. Okay, I'll go as long as I can.
Coming over here.
Also, lots of good friends here. Hopping back and forth. Right here. I love it. IGN is 222, 111. Our older brother's 313. Grandma was 1010. I was like, he's got to have it the other day. He's got 927. 3 square 3 2.
We're going to talk to you. You know how this works. You've all been here before, right? Every day. Me too. Just remember, give your class compliment about God. Don't spell it like left to right. It'll be spelling right to left. Yeah. Or else the system will read it right. See the doctor's name tag?
Alrighty, we've got a skipper by the name of Bob, and our boat is currently disembarking, so we'll be on there momentarily.
We were barricading the stroller.
Makes sense.
On this side, not on the other side. Yeah, come on in. That's that handrail right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Whoa. Wow, come on in. Watch your head. Watch your step. Use that handrail. Slide all the way down, folks. That's right. The more we slide, the less I clean. Yeah, you can come over here.
Thank you.
Handrail, that's right. I'm sure we all woke up and said, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it, right? Me too. Hey, tomorrow, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it. Yeah, me too. Oh, we're gonna make it work. Oh, we're gonna make it work. That's right. Look at this. We get a VIP private tour of the dock. Look at that dock. Beautiful dock. Made of a very rare, very exotic. That's a Brazilian walnut. You'll never guess how many walnuts it took to make that dock. That's right. It's about a Brazilian. I'm giving her all she's got, Skip. I got a flat tire. I'm so sorry. Huh? What? Who, me? That's okay. They can't either. There we go. Awesome. Throw them in, please. The boat, not the water. Watch your head. Watch your step. Use that handrail. It's like I'm talking in a Pringles can. This is great. Watch your head. Watch your step. Use that handrail. Come on in, folks. Come on in. That's right. I get paid by the number I take out, not the number I bring back. Don't worry. Plenty of room on the return trip. That's right. Halfway for half price. How much did we pay? $0. Yeah, you can sit in the middle. That's the VIP section. Yeah, stands for view is pathetic. Just like your skipper. Wow, wave goodbye to all those beautiful people up there on the dock. You'll never see time ever again. Well, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Bob. That's right, Skipper Bob, not that Bob. Proud member of Banana Troop 5571. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Now, for your safety, remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. Supervise your kiddos. They pay me to drive boats. Don't pay me to sit babies. Folks, here we are. The Rainforest. Ooh, hopefully there's no electronics on board. Wow, rain's here 488 days out of the year. That's right. Just about every single day. Don't worry if you didn't feel anything. That just means you missed it. Call that audience precipitation, right? Wow. Over there, folks, that's the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Famed archaeologist Dr. Indiana Jones inside looking for the world's greatest treasure. Little does he realize it's right here. It's on my boat. Aww. Happens to be driving the boat, but that's okay. Now, oh my gosh, look at that. That's going to be a Himalayan tiger. You know what? Sometimes Himalayan over here, sometimes Himalayan right there, but look at that, folks. Him a standing. Yeah. Now down there, that's Ginger. Watch out, Ginger Snap. Real tough cookie. Crummy joke. Gonna milk it for all it's worth. Now right over there, that is some concrete evidence that we are entering into the elephant bathing pool. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've never seen it like this before. They are all down here at the river. Wow, this is unheard of. Yeah, take all the pictures you want. They do have their trunks on today. Yeah. Fun fact, you know, they can go up to 4 feet. Us humans only 2. Yeah, talk about the agony of defeats. Wow. In the shower, that's Big Bertha. Bertha's been in that shower way too long. Look at all the wrinkles. Yeah, needs a pachydermatologist. Wow. Coming up to the base camp. No, squirt. No. Thank you so much. Straight shot right through the door. Many years. I'm just kidding. That's called dry humor. Not putting anybody in any kind of real danger. What happened? Your face has changed. It's danger? We're going to get closer. Hey, we got some monkey business over here. Okay, nobody make any banana sounds. They all find it really appealing. Like I was saying, this is the camp of Dr. Chinosuke. Oh, wow. He's been working on that car for months. Really glad someone finally got it to, well, to turn over. Folks, as you can see, way too intense up there for me. What do you say we make like a banana? And? Wait, that's right, we're hiring. Yes. Pick up an application on the way out, everybody. Looks better in khaki. Now, you know what, Leonard Moss, our resident plant expert, he told me about this bamboo. Did you know? Bamboo can grow 6 stories tall. Yeah, I think it's 7, but that's just another story. Schweitzer Falls right over there, named after the famous humanitarian and explorer, Dr. Albert. Yeah, Albert Falls. Don't worry, we're going to go over that later. Yeah. Now, hey, this is the Nile River, longest river in the world. Don't worry. I know a shortcut. Yeah, river so long goes on for miles and miles and miles. And, well, folks, if you don't believe me, okay. Wow, folks, if you don't believe me, well, he says we're in a boat. Bobo, you ready? What was that? I'll tell. He said to like and subscribe. I don't know what that means. Wow. Now, hey, this is the African belt with a hand of man. We'll never step foot. Oh my gosh, we got all kinds of critters out here today. I myself am an animal expert, folks. I will be identifying these guys for you. Let's see. We've got stripy horsies. We got long-necked cheetahs. Ones with a beard. I've never seen them before. Wow, they must be new. Oh my gosh, look at those angry kitties. They're protecting the sleepy stripy horsey. Oh, that stripy horsey looks dead. Tired. It's just dead. Oh my gosh, Skipper Felix. Wow, took the VIPs out this morning. Never made it back to the dock. Felix's first day. Oh, probably his last. Well, Felix, buddy, it could be worse. Could have been that stripy horsey. Wow. On a unrelated note, please do remember to pick those applications up on your way out. Boy, do we got a, let's call it a job opportunity for you. Crazy. Pulling up to the hippos real quick. Now, they tell me these guys, well, they're only dangerous. Felix's boat right over there. Yeah, I told his trainer to be more stern with them, but oh my gosh, that's only half of the problem. Folks, these guys are attacking the boat. I'm going to scare them off. Everybody cover your ears, cover your ears. There we go. See, I scared the one hiding up there in the tree. Poor guy, just trying to branch out. You see the tree hippo, their bark is bigger than their bite, but that's okay. We're just gonna leave them up there. That's crazy. You know, they tell me all the time, Skipper Bob, your job is so easy, a monkey can do it. Well, these are chimps. Yeah, you're doing amazing. I tell you to take a bow, but you already did. Yeah, I get into the difference between the two. We just don't have enough time. It's a really long tail. Wow. Now, oh my gosh, look at that. Two got away. Let's see on the left. That one is, yeah, that one's Maggie. The one coming up out of the crate. Her name is Annette. Aww. What a catch. Wow. Look at all the butterflies. Butterflies, not what they used to be. That's right, caterpillars. Wow. Folks, here we are, the moment of the tour we've all been waiting for, the miraculous, the stupendous, eighth wonder of the world. It is backside of water! O2H! Look at that. Got some really nice chemistry on the boat today, huh? Wow. You know, I do take my tours by there periodically. I don't get that explosive reaction out of most of my boats. I know we're all just a little out of our element today, but that's okay. You know, we got some really noble things ahead, just like that python up in the tree. Look at that guy. Wow. Yeah, you can tell it's a python, not a boa. That's because, well, you know, boas have feathers. Yeah, sorry if that's a little too constricting for you. I like to get all wrapped up in my work. Now, folks, if you didn't lose anything today, well, you can buy it back. Look at this. Trader Sam's got a brand new gift shop. Well, up there on the turntable, they're going to be breaking some kind of record. Now, Bob, wasn't that the sweater I gave you last Christmas? Are you sure? Oh, you know what? That's the sweater you're getting this Christmas. Well, now, folks, here we are, the most dangerous turn of the journey. That's right, the return to civilization. Hey, give yourselves a hand. You survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Yeah, safety reminder, as we approach the dock, remain seated. Keep those hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. That's right. I don't want any bad things to happen to my beautiful dock. You know, a hand between the boat and the dock, folks, we call that peer pressure. It's like going to squeeze pressure, the pier. Wow. Over there, that's the Tropical Hideaway. Get one of those tasty, tasty Dole Whips up there. Yeah. You know, unfortunately, they don't serve any punch. Yeah. If you make it up to the Hideaway, make sure you're waiting in a Dole Whip line. If you're waiting for a punch line, it's never going to happen. Never going to happen. Well, let's see. I'm going to take this opportunity to point out some of my favorite plant life. I got one right there. One right there. Oh, did you want me to name them for you? Yes. Beautiful. That's Bill, Steve, John. These really tall ones, scariest plant in the jungle. Yeah, their name is Bam. Yeah, Bamboo. It works better at night with the light. It's crazy. Wow. Folks, there's a dock on the left. There's a dock on the right. Get excited. That's right. We're entering into a paradox. Yeah, shoes on my feet, ironically enough, also a paradox. Well, now, folks, you know what? Of all the tours I have done today, you by far have been the most recent. I'm just kidding. You've been absolutely outstanding. But, folks, I really need you to be outstanding over there on that dock. Thank you so much for joining me. Watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. My friends on this side. Out that back door, everybody else right here out the middle. Watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail, folks. Have an amazing day.
Thank you.
Better out here in Adventureland. That was awesome. That's good.
All right, that's gonna do it for the takeover. Thank you so much, you guys. I am Matthew Fritz. I have been Matthew Fritz, and I will continue to be Matthew Fritz. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.